How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're talking about how to install Fade-In, the screenwriting tool for Linux. We're going to be covering the demo because this isn't free software. I have found that just for my own personal use, the traditional demo has worked fine. If you need to purchase a license, you can do that, and this isn't sponsored. But all the information you need to know is in my article in the link below. But to get started, click on the download button here. This will take you to the demo page. You can scroll down, find Linux, and you can download a generic package. Download an RPM if you use SUSE or Fedora, and if you use Ubuntu or Debian or any other Ubuntu/Debian based distro, you click on these here. We're going to need to click on the 64-bit download button, and this will go ahead and open up in our package installer. From there you can just click the install package button, or install if you open it up in the software center. Enter your password. It's going to go through and run dpackage, install all of the important dependencies that we need. Then it'll be ready to go. We can click close, look for fade, and fade, where are we? And then we have our screenwriting process tool. So if you want to write a play or a YouTube video or a home movie or a feature-length picture, whatever, you can do it right on your Linux desktop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know, perhaps maybe I should be using this for videos. Maybe it would help. But until next time, guys, I'm going to have to get going, and I'll see you in the next video.